Hi friends, welcome to Radiance YouTube channel. I am your RK. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Don't waste our time, let's start. As in the first of the video, I will tell how to edit in this video in Kinemaster. If you don't have this app, link in description. After open the Kinemaster, click on the plus icon. Then click on the which ratio you want. Then click on the media button. Select the image, which image you want. Then click on your video clip. After that, click on pan and zoom button. Here, click equal signal to come with your screen full of your edit. And come back. Apply to all of your edit in this option. Then click on your video clip. Click on the clip graphics option here. Here, click on the memory lane option. Apply to all of your edit in this option. If you don't have this option in your Kinemaster app, you can download it by scrolling down and clicking on the Get More option. After that, you will apply this option. Then select which song you want. I will select this one. And export and save in this video in your gallery. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. and share this video.